Hi everyone, this is Jennifer from Junk Journals by Jen. Welcome back. Just want to let you know I will be posting on Thursday and Saturday mornings going forward, so you can plan for that. Thursday's post will be a continuation of our ongoing making of a junk journal, but Saturday may be something a little bit different. You're gonna have to wait and see what that is. We're busy making a journal from start to finish, and we are making a bird journal. Last time we learned how to make some pages using circles. Today we're going to be working on the middle of one of our signatures. It's a double page spread and I have an idea for it that I want to try out. We're going to need a bird punch, then some ombre colored papers. I've got a bird punch here. So I've got some papers here in blues and turquoises. Some washi tape. I've got some washi tape here that matches, and a saying or quote of some kind. I've got a book of sayings here by, I think this is a Tim Holtz book. And first thing we need are birds in a couple of sizes and a few different colors. I'm going to use this paper punch for the smaller size birds. And then I've got a die here that I'm going to use for a larger size, okay? In order to save time, I did go ahead and punch some out, but I'll show you here how this looks. For the smaller ones, I punched them out of this lighter color, and they look like this. Where'd you go? Oh, they're there. Looks like that. So I've got some of those. And then with the die, I did some out of two different turquoise colors. Okay, I've got several. Both of those. I guess I could show you how to cut it out of a die in case you haven't seen that before. I've got my machine right here. Okay, so I've got my die machine. Got some paper here. And you simply take your die cut, your die, this is the die, and you take it and put it the sharp side to the paper, and you've got your sandwich plates here. So I've got the big plate and then the small plexiglass plate. You put the paper down, and then you put the sharp side of the die down, and then you put the top of the paper on top of there, so it makes a sandwich, and then you put it in until it kind of grabs, and then you crank it. So it's simply it's a hand die, which I love it. Works for me. I don't use it a ton, but it is one of my favorite tools. I like to have it when I need it. Okay, then you take it out, and then it's cut out, okay? Set this down. Now the thing that took some time with this was it's got some, I don't know if you can see, but it's got some embellishment in there. You've got to punch this out, and then you've got to go through and punch every one of those little things out with this little tool, or something small and sharp. I got this tool for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So handy for this. Anyway, you get the idea. Here's one more I'll have for my project in case I need it. Okay, that one is ready. Okay, so I've got all these. punched out and ready to go. Let's open up to our page. This is the page we're going to be working on. So let's lay this out. Okay, we've got the little ones, and I'm picturing it like a flock of birds flying up off of a page. So let's see if we can make it kind of look like that. And I want it lighter from one side and darker to the other. I hope this works and makes sense. Okay, this is a lighter color. I think I want one of these to be actually under the string, kind of bent. Yeah. And down here is going to be the sentiment somewhere. And I want it kind of in a V formation, kind of like how birds fly. Something like that, maybe. Something like that. I want to leave room around the edges for a washi tape border. Okay, I think I like something like that will work. Got a couple extra birds here. Maybe a little more pointy down here. Okay. All right, I like that. So I'm going to glue that down, and I've got Scotch-Crete glue stick is what I'm going to use. Start over here. So this is less of an interactive page and more of a pretty just visual page, I guess, for the journal. Which I like to do every now and then, just decorate a page and make it pretty, but could do a pocket or something on top of it. Might think about that. But I kind of like this idea of just making it a focal picture page in the middle of the signature. I love these colors. These are my favorite colors. I got lucky that I had these colors of paper. My friend and I bought these papers for her mom's wedding, and then we ended up not using them to make paper flowers we were going to make, and we didn't use them, so I have lots of crafty papers here to use. If any of you have tried any of the techniques you've seen so far, I would love to hear from you and hear how they went for you, or see pictures if you've got any. That would be great. I'd be so excited to see that. Kind of tuck this one under there too. So the pages are kind of a continuation of each other. Oh, that one's folded under. Oh, come out of there. There we go. Okay. Okay, so we've got our birds down. I think that looks pretty good. I'd kind of like to do one more there, but we're kind of encroaching on the, I think I will do one more there. It just looks better. Okay, now I want to put a sentiment down. And where is that? Okay, I've got one picked out here that says, what does it say? Something about wings. Don't forget to fly. That's what it says. So don't forget to fly. And I don't really like it just on the page. Let's see. Maybe if we do a little piece of book page behind it. And move that down a little. Kind of like that better. I think we'll ink this with some Distress Oxide Broken China ink. Change my sponge to a clean one. And just ink around this newspaper, or not newspaper, book print. My fingers are always covered with ink, I swear. Let's see how that looks. Oh, I love that. Okay, that's good. Okay. before we put that down, I'm going to go ahead and put the washi tape around the edge so I know where it's going to be. And I picked this washi tape out just for the color, really, and I like the flowers on it. And I'm going to put some glue stick on it because washi tape is not known for sticking that well. Okay, just get this as close to the edge as we can. And do this side. Let's get some glue stick on the back of that. Okay, do the top. And glue stick on there. Let's just pull it through. Okay. Trim this little end off here. Okay. One more piece. All right. My fingers are gluey, sticky, and inky. All right. So we've got the washi tape down. That looks better. Now let's do our sentiment here. says malarkey on it. Didn't even realize that. That's funny. I've glued worse down. Okay. And again, it says, don't forget to fly. I love that. This little wing is coming up. Didn't glue that very good. There we go. What a cool page. Okay, I like it a lot. So, that is it. That's the idea I had. I think it came out pretty good. I like it. As always, if you've enjoyed what you saw here or found it useful, then please like, subscribe, and share. Also, comment below if you have any ideas, suggestions, or questions. I would love to hear from you. Come visit me at my Etsy shop, which is linked below. That's all for today at Junk Journals by Jen. See you soon.